E mua lava o na whaafo'i le viinga lo tatou tama o I le langi. Whawhitaitele lava EYESPY Radio mo le avangoa. Thank you for the opportunity to be on today's show. It is a privilege to represent Samoa in sailing. Every day is an opportunity to improve my skills and to share this knowledge with sailors back home. I really hope that by doing well in regattas like the New South Wales and ACT Masters, that this will inspire more of Samoa to get into sailing. Our island is surrounded by the most beautiful oceans in the world, and we should be using it more, taking up more water sports and representing our beautiful nation around the world. This is only just the start of a journey to the Paris Olympic Games in France in 2 years' time. I welcome any sponsorship opportunities as I do have more competitions coming up, including the Masters Radio Worlds in Mexico in June and the Master Open Women's Championships in China in October. So yeah, here's an opportunity to get exposure on the world sailing circuit. Be blessed in God's love. Soifua.